Good morning. I've been going on a walk today and it's been just swell. Be great just looking around. We wonder though, what effect does the things that you bring, the things that you carry have on the way that you think? What do you think?
That the things that you have and the things you carry, the material things, they all have little anchors, they all have little triggers to your memory. I think that influences the way that you think and perceive things. But the most obvious trigger, of course, is technology. I mean, as soon as we start to use a mobile device, we become enraptured in that particular world. And we disconnect from the real world. It's interesting. I think that that is one of the big challenges of the 21st century for us. So, my daughter's rather odd decision to bring a stuffed toy does actually change the quality of the morning walk. Even places can have triggers. When Carrie was a little girl, we used to play on this fire engine in the park, and the favourite game was I used to make sheep noises, and she used to make me various delicious delights out of twigs and so forth.
Chicken nuggets, those are chips, and that is herbs and lettuce.
Tastes exactly the way I remembered.
That was a stupid thing to do.
He doesn't sound like that.
Huh?